Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this freeze frame snapshot picture edit. It's actually more of a video edit, but it's fine. So I'm just going to go to the part where I want to freeze frame. I'll just copy and paste the video first though. So I want to freeze here, so I'm just going to freeze frame that part. And then I am going to place it on the bottom track first. Let's just okay. I'm gonna turn off the main track magnet first though. And then here, I'll go to canvas and I'll add like a white frame. So just add that. Add in a keyframe here and go 4 frames to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and scale it down to just 95%. I can't even see what I'm I even typing anything out. There we go. Like that. You can't see it because there's another one on top here. Then you're going to right click, create compound clip. And you're going to switch them again, like this one on top and this one at the bottom. Then select the compound clip, and then you're going to add a keyframe, and then you're going to go 6 keyframes to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to scale it down, and you're going to kind of rotate it, but just a little bit, like so. And then you're going to add in like a camera shutter sound to your video. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!